This gonna be big. Let me take a sip. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have new makeup. I am so excited. I haven't brought new makeup in the longest of times. And I now have a bag full of new makeup. The other day, Superdrug were doing a buy one, get one free of all cosmetics. Yeah. If you follow me on Instagram, which I will leave my handle here if you don't, definitely do. I told everybody about it and I was just like, I'm your local enabler. Go and buy so it's not just me. I'm so excited. There are some things that are backups that I've already had before that, you know, with the buy one we get one free, I was like, I have to, you know, like, yeah. And there's a lot of things that are brand new to me and I'm pretty sure new to the market as well. I just want to quickly say, if you can see like any boxes or any bits and bobs around the back, just ignore them. I am doing this room up slightly and I went to IKEA the other day, so I just brought bits in preparation for it. If you guys want to see me do this room up, it's going to be called SophieBBeauty's Beauty Room Makeover Transformation type of thing. Hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when that week is live. It should be coming up in the next couple of weeks. Anyway, let me get back to this video because I am super excited. So like I said, the cosmetics were buy one get one free, and I did buy some other little bits and bobs that I was in need of and I was running out of, so I'll get through them first because they're a bit more boring. I'm gonna empty this out. The sound of new makeup. So I picked up my Vaseline. This is the Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant with pure cocoa butter. This is just an oil. I use this every single day on my face because I like oil. I don't like cream that much in the mornings. I love this. It's incredible. It makes my skin feel super soft, super smooth. And yeah, I get so many compliments on my skin with no makeup on. I know you've usually just got this on. I do use it on my body as well, like in the sun, on the holiday. Ugh, with a tan. God, I wish I was going on holiday. This time last year I was on my way to Jamaica, so I'm currently really sad. I must be honest. But yeah, this is what I got first. That was full price because it's not cosmetics, obviously. I picked up two of these because they were half price, I want to say. I think they're originally like $3.99 and they were $1.99. Does that sound like the right price? That sounds really cheap. I'm pretty sure that was the right price. Anyway, this is what I use to take my makeup off. It is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Gel Wash. And it says it's for sensitive skin, or even for sensitive skin. Removes makeup, cleanses and soothes. And yeah, I bought two of them because like I said, they were discounted and I use these all the time. This is what I use to take my makeup off with. I basically wet my face, put this on, smear it all over, make my makeup look really funny, and then just use a makeup eraser cloth. But yeah, this is incredible. I've used it for years now and I love it. And then the last non-makeup item is just a fake tan. This is the fake tan I use now. I briefly mentioned it in my current favourites. I'm just nearly at the end of mine and I thought while I'm there, may as well. This is the Bondi Sands Aero Self Tanning Foam Ultra Dark Quick Dry Formula Intense Hydration Coconut Scent. Love it. I used to use the Utan and Tone Turbo Tan, and then Superdrug didn't have that, so I bought this last time, fell in love with it, and now I'm buying it again. So that's a really good sign from me, the fact that I've gone back to this instead of my Utan and Tone. So, but yeah, I really like this. If you want to know more about it or hear me rave about it anymore, check out my current favourites. I'll leave it in a little iCard. I never know which direction they're in, so they're in one of them if you want to check that out. And now we have the makeups. Yes! So this I'm super excited about. I brought two small bottles of these from Sephora when I went to America in 2018, and they've both kind of just finished. They're ended. There's nothing left. And I did not know you could buy this in the UK. And one of my videos before, someone was like, you know, Superdrug sell them, and I was like, what? So my bottles I currently have only just emptied, and while I was making this order I was like, oh my god, yes, let me get one of these. This is the bigger size. It's the 150ml. I'm pretty sure I maybe had two 50mls. Relatively inexpensive. It's the Evian facial spray. It is so nice. Oh, it is just so hydrating, so nice on the skin. Feels like it's basically water. I'm pretty sure it probably just is water. I love to use this right at the beginning before makeup, and sometimes I'll use it on really hot days. If I'm not wearing any makeup, I'll pop this in the fridge and then throughout the day just kind of spray my face. But that's a top tip. Even if you are wearing makeup, put your setting sprays in the fridge like the night before, and then when you spray it on at the end of makeup, it's really nice, cooling and refreshing. Top tip with SophieBBeauty. So, like I said, this was buy one get one free, and this is my favourite foundation from the drugstore. It is my second favourite foundation of all time, and I used 2 shades, so I picked up both, and then I went to collect my order yesterday. Only one was in stock, so I got refunded the other, but I already have a backup of this shade. I don't have a backup of the other shade, so now I've got 2 shades of this and none of the other. It's a little bit confusing. Hopefully you grasped all that. So I need to go out and buy the other shade full price, which is a little bit annoying, but that's okay. Anyway, it's Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I'm wearing it right now. I wear it often. I love it. I rave about it all the time. I'm pretty sure this is in my current favourites as well. Can't go wrong with this foundation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful amount of coverage. I use a dewy primer and I use a lot of creams like cream blusher, cream highlighter on my face, so it doesn't go extremely matte on me, which is not what I want anyway. I want it to look like this, but if you go in with like matte primers and like a lot of powder, you can get a really good matte finish from this. I use the shades Sun Beige, which is this one, and Warm Sun, which is the one I cannot get. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, this is a non-ish makeup item that I spoke about again loads on my channel before. It's the Utan Coconut Tanning Water Gradual Facial Mist. Absolutely incredible. I need to sneeze. Absolutely incredible. I have used a few bottles of this now and just needed a backup. I also brought the Jamie Genevieve one before as well, and I just had a little bit of that I needed to use up. I wasn't the biggest fan of it because it's lavender scented. I just wanted to support like another fellow YouTuber and get it, but I was not a fan of lavender at all. But this one is coconut and this one is divine, and I will literally, on days that I just need like a tan top up, I just spray it on my chest, but I use it basically on my face about, you know, 4 or 5 times a week. It's really good and it works really well. It gives a really nice, natural looking, sun-kissed, glowy, tanned look. Big fan. This is just a backup of the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, one of my absolute favourite liners. Super black, super matte. Just honestly just says what it is on the tin. It's great. I love it. Yeah, I have nothing else to say. I've brought a few of them in the past and they're full finished, so that's all. So this is the Makeup Revolution Revolution Glow Ultra Matte Bronzer Glow. A lot of it is like glow but matte, so I don't know. This is in the shade Medium. I just say medium, okay? Let me just add a J into things. I like the box as well, and I like the packaging. I'm never that fussed about big packaging. I think I've got deep drawers for a lot of my stuff, so I'm not fussed. Okay, this is dark. This is the shade Medium. It's quite dark. It's quite cool toned as well. So annoying you can't return makeup in the UK. It's so frustrating. I think it's good that it's dark because it means that people with darker skin tones are going to have a bronzer, but jeez. But it's medium. I'm so confused. It did not look that dark on the site. It really did not. We'll see what I can do with that. Just pop that back in its box. Next, from the same like glow range of Makeup Revolution, is the Beam Dream Face and Body Illuminating Primer. It's just like an illuminating primer. Does it have a shade? Don't think there's a shade. Yeah, it's just like a white one. It kind of looks like similar to strobe cream in that it looks just universal shades. Oh, it's very pink. Oh wow, it's very, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Yeah, I think you can see just there. Like I said, I want to try all this out anyway and see what happens. It's got a scent to it. Next up, I picked up some blushes because blushes are just one area of makeup that I don't really ever dive into. I don't really ever get fascinated by. I don't look for blushes. I don't, you know, it's not my thing. My thing is foundations, if you wanted to know. But I saw these blushes and I was like, right, obviously with the discount, let me try it. So I got 2 from Makeup Revolution. So this is the first one. This is in the shade Coral Dream. There were 3 that I was thinking about, but obviously, because it was like buy one, get one free, with how much stuff I got, I couldn't get the 3rd one because there wasn't anything else I wanted. But that's what it looks like there. It's quite pigmented, but it seems as though I could use a very light hand and it go quite sheerish. I love more of a coral blush, coral peach, that kind of thing. I say that, the next one is quite pink, but online again it did not look this pink. The other shade I got was Peach Bliss. Now online, obviously the name peach, you'd assume it was a bit more peachy. It is quite pinky. Now I'm just regretting all my life choices and I should have gone for the other shade. It is just like a really pale pink. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it at all, but it is just like a pale pink, like a wash of colour. But like I said, they were relatively inexpensive and they were in an offer, so I think that's the best time to try new stuff and to venture out a little bit more. So I'm not too sad by them, but yeah, hopefully this one's a bit better. This one's from L'Oreal and this is the Life's a Peach blusher, which looks way more of my kind of thing. Completely. It is more proper like orangey, peachy. Yeah, these swatches aren't going to be great because they're blushes, so they might not like show up as much. That's the peachy one there, and then I rubbed off them too, sorry. But yeah, I really like the look of that. Like I said, huge fan of like orangey, peachies, corally kind of blushes, so that one I'm really excited about. Then I got the I Heart Revolution Peach Baking Powder. If you guys are new here, I am constantly on the hunt for a new powder because my all-time favorite one has been discontinued. I think I only have about 8 jars left of it, which is annoying. Oh, it's kind of like, it looks like the Airspun one a little bit. So I thought I'd try this one. This colour looks perfect. This is peach. Let me try a little bit. Screw it. Ooh, you get a little powder puff. Right, I'm going to try a tiny bit. I'm such a quiet snob when it comes to powder though, I'm not going to lie. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's really nice. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see a difference, but there is. And I think the colour is perfect. Absolutely. I'm really excited to use that properly. Obviously I've just placed it on top of another powder, but from what I can see, I like this a lot. And there was a few shades as well, so definitely check that out. Definitely try it. Okay, and then the final item is from Revolution Glow, that range again. Molten Body Glow Face and Body Liquid Illuminator. How is that? Oh, the other one's a primer. Okay, so it looks like this, kind of like the Fenty Lava. Anyone's really, like, I've got so many that are similar to this, I'm not even gonna fib. So many brands have this, and these are one of my favorite products to have. I love them. I love them on holiday. I love them like on the chest. I love them. I just love them a lot. I think the shade is just Molten because there were a couple of shades. I'm gonna try a tiny bit on my hand. So it comes out, let's zoom you in, comes out gold, like bra. Oh wow, look at that. That is, ooh, that is stunning, stunning, gorgeous. I cannot wait to literally bathe my whole entire body in that. That is nice, and the consistency was nice as well. And it has coconut and pineapple fragrance. My hand smells delicious. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a mixture of everything. I don't know if it's just that, but my hand smells delicious. I'm so excited to use this, you have no idea. But anyway guys, that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did then please give this video a thumbs up. Like I said as well, if you guys are interested in SophieBBeauty beauty room do up kind of video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when it's happening. It's happening very soon, I promise. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.